Oh. Oh God.
The battery's getting low. Oh, that was close. And I almost got killed.
Might have enough juice to take off one more time.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Is your top secret classified mission done yet?
No, we're making a video. Show the big boy, the beast. Helicopter, I like to call the beast.
Hey, Mike, want some of that smoking meat?
Oh God, it's not showing it.
Shut up. Oh, yeah? I knew you didn't say no. Mike's my good boy.
You know I was joking, right?
This is the beast. You can't really see it.
Coming out.
Dang, dude.
That was my brother. It's a big, giant, 2 feet long thing. These are little mini helicopters flying around.
I don't know where your brother got his traits from. I swear to God, I have no
Don't
freaking
fly.
idea.
This
I know where you got
is
yours, and I know where she got hers.
Where'd I get mine?
a black helicopter.
kind of a
My
combination.
stepdad's flying it. This is my brother's helicopter. Well, they're both my brother's helicopter.
They're all my helicopters.
This one's red and black.
Your Catholic school doesn't have actual nuns teaching you. Get yourself in the titty, did you?
Okay, I'm gonna let you see how it's
Oh, my
flying.
hand
Might
moved.
want to do a little more practice.
Okay, Mom, you're interrupting my video.
Then delete it and start again.
Yeah, no.
I can't when the batteries are dead. Yeah, she's done.
And I think they're done, so
Yeah, we're
I
done.
think they need to charge. So, goodbye, and that's my brother. And that's my stepdad, who's turned, sorry. That's my stepdad. You can't really see him. That's my mom over there, Amy. Okay, and I shall cut this video out right now.